Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
You'll start by getting the image into Safari quickly. Open Photos or Safari where the image lives, tap Share and choose Copy Photo, or long press and copy. Then open Safari and load images. Google.com. If you don't see the upload icon, request desktop site using the menu. Once done, tap the camera icon or use the URL bar to paste the image. This step moves the image from your phone into the reverse search tool, so Google can analyze it. Now you'll feed the exact image to Google and refine results. Tap the camera icon, then choose Upload an image and pick from photos if you copied. Alternatively, paste the image URL. Make sure to crop tightly around the subject to reduce false matches, and once results appear, add keywords like a brand name, place, or year to filter. This helps Google prioritize relevant matches and reduces noise. If you want alternate engines, repeat using Bing or TinEye for broader coverage. Finish by inspecting matches and the pages that host the image to confirm origin. Look for higher resolution copies and metadata clues like file names or captions. These often reveal source or context. If results are weak, switch to Bing, TinEye, or Yandex for different indexes, and try cropping differently or boosting resolution with editing before retrying. If upload fails, ensure Safari has permission to access photos and that you requested the desktop site. Fixing those permissions.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.